What happens if Moon hit Earth? If the Moon were to hit Earth, the impact would unleash energy far greater than any natural disaster we know. The collision would cause massive earthquakes shaking the entire planet, and tsunamis towering thousands of feet, high flooding coastlines worldwide. The atmosphere itself would suffer severe damage, likely stripping away layers and triggering catastrophic climate changes. Beyond the initial impact, the collision would send debris hurtling into the sky, igniting fires across continents. The aftermath would leave Earth's surface unrecognizable, with widespread destruction and an environment struggling to recover. Life as you know it would face extreme threats from the resulting chaos and harsh conditions. Luckily, the Moon's orbit around Earth is very stable. Gravity and orbital mechanics keep it steadily circling our planet, making an actual collision almost impossible. Scientists have studied this extensively and agree that the Moon hitting Earth is a scenario confined to science fiction. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.